In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to change security questions on Piggyvest app. Let's say, for example, you have created your security question before, but maybe it's kind of like somehow hard for you, so you want to change it to a simplest one. So what you just need to do, just log into your Piggyvest app on your Android or on your iPhone, then click on account. Then this page is gonna load just like this. So the next thing you're gonna do is just scroll all the way down to security, click on that. Then right here you can see change security questions, so just click on that. So I already set up my own security question, so you can see what write a question only you should know. So you can provide the question right here, then provide the answer. They're gonna send an OTP directly to you, so just click on tap here to generate OTP. So once you tap in here, they're gonna send you an OTP. So once you receive an OTP on your phone number, provide the OTP right here, then you can click on set question, and that is how you can change your security question or set up a new security question for your account.